Yeah, good morning students. This is the seventh part of basic inequalities. And today I am going to conclude concept of modulus. So concept of modulus means modular equalities and modular inequalities. Now I want to explain some interesting problems based on this concept. So today I will complete this concept. Next class I will start logarithmic inequalities. After that exponential inequalities. Yeah, first of all, find a real x so that some equations are given here. We want to find real x. First of all, I want to recall the definition of modulus of a function. Mod x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0. Minus x if x less than 0. This is the definition of modulus of any real number. See problem number 1. Yes, mod k equal to k. Mod k equal to k. Mod x equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0. Mod k equal to k means what? K should be greater than or equal to 0. Directly. K mod k equal to k means what is the meaning? K should be greater than or equal to 0. Here k means what, Nana? X square minus 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So you can factorize this x minus 4 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Number line, wave curve method. Zeros should identify. Rightmost 0 side plus, odd minus plus, greater than or equal to symbols. Therefore x belongs to open minus infinity to minus 1 closed, union closed 4 to infinity. So this is the answer for the first problem. So second problem also logical problem only, Nana. So mod a into mod b nothing but mod of ab. Mod a into mod b nothing mod of ab. Mod of ab means this into this. X minus 1 into x minus 2 is given as minus of x square minus 3x plus 2. What is the meaning of this? X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to minus times of x square minus 3x plus 2. Just mod k equal to minus k if k less than 0. Mod k equal to minus k means what? K should be less than 0. That is x square minus 3x plus 2 less than 0. Less than 0 or lesser than or equal to 0. No problem. Separately giving now. So here what happened? Mod x if x greater than or equal to 0. Minus x less than 0. Only this is not there means you can say that here also you can write equality, no problem. Mod x greater than 0. Mod x equal to minus x if x lesser than or equal to 0. Both are the same meaning. Because put x equal 0 here, 0 only. X equal 0 also 0. Means inequality, equality you can add here or here, that is not big problem. That's what I can say here. Mod k equal to minus k means what I can say here, k lesser than or equal to 0. Important, Nana. Don't think that only less than 0. Lesser than or equal to 0. That is not wrong. Okay, what is this? This is nothing but factors. What are the factors known? X minus 1 into x minus 2 is lesser than or equal to 0. Now I want to use number line. Okay, this is 1, 2, plus, minus, plus. I want lesser than or equal to symbols. Lesser than or equal to x belongs to closed interval to closed to. You can cross check. That is not big problem. So put x equal to 1, 0, 0, mod 0 equal to 0, 1. What is the problem? So all values from 1 to 2 including 1 and 2 satisfies. Yeah, third problem. Same, Nana. Mod k equal to k. Mod k equal to k. K greater than or equal to 0. What is the meaning of that? X square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 6x plus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Simple quadratic. Numerator is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Numerator is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Denominator is x minus 5 into x minus 1. Observe here. Greater than or equal to 0. Simple wavy curve method. All are right hand side of inequality is 0. Left hand linear factors. Simple. Odd power, odd power, odd power, odd power. Within one step I can complete the problem. Observe here. So zeros I want to identify here now. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 5. Number line divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So what are the critical points here? 2, 3, 5, 1. 2 satisfies. R equal to then 2 satisfies means 2 closed. 3 satisfies. 5 won't satisfy here. Open circle. 1 won't satisfy. Greater than or equal to. Plus symbols you want. Plus symbols. Within one step we complete the problem. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to 1. 1 open. Union closed 2 to closed 3. Union open 5 to infinity. Okay students, example 2, find x so that this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. These 3 are logical problems. I want to explain what is the concept behind these problems. Mod a plus b equal to mod a plus mod b. Then I can start with if mod of a plus b equal to mod a plus mod b, then a into b is greater than or equal to 0. This is one of the important concept. Using this concept you can solve about 3 problems. Okay. So what is given here? Mod of a plus b is equal to mod a plus mod b. Equality, no? Squaring and other side nothing happened. Squaring. Mod a plus b whole square equal to mod a plus mod b whole square. So mod a plus b whole square means a plus b whole square only. Mod x whole square or x square both are same. Just like I can say that this is a plus b whole square equal to mod a whole square plus mod b whole square. Okay, Ranana? Plus 2 mod a into mod b. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a square plus b square plus 2 mod ab. I can write mod a into mod b, nothing, mod of ab only. This get cancelled. 2ab equal to 2 mod ab. Therefore mod ab equal to ab. Just like mod k equal to k. Mod k equal to k. K greater than or equal to 0 only. Therefore a into b greater than or equal to 0. Since mod k equal to k implies k greater than or equal to 0. Understood? Mod of a plus b equal to mod a plus mod b directly can conclude that a into b greater than or equal to 0. So by using this logic or this concept you can complete these problems. First of all, first problem, see here, feel this is as a and this is a b. See, mod a plus mod b equal to mod of a plus b. They are addition only. Observe here, x square plus 2x plus x 3x. 2 plus 1 direct. So directly I can say that x square plus 2x plus 2 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. This is nothing but x plus whole square plus 1 only. Observe, interesting expression. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 means x plus 1 whole square plus 1 into x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. This value only minimum 1. This total value greater than or equal to 1. So greater than or equal to 0 means what? This is greater than or equal to 1. Means this should be greater than or equal to 0. That is x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0 means x greater than or equal to minus 1. Therefore x belongs to closed minus 1 to infinity. This is the solution for this problem number 1. Students, remaining 2 problems also same type. Mod of a plus b equal to mod a plus mod b. Just a into b greater than or equal to 0. A means 2x minus 1. B means 3x minus 1 by x greater than or equal to 0. Just we need to draw number line. We need to identify zeros. One of them is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. I think 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Yeah, next 0, somewhere here 0. Yeah, plus, minus, you want greater symbols. And also 0 won't satisfy. Half will satisfy. 1 by 3 will satisfy. Therefore, x belongs to open 0 to closed 1 by 3 union closed 1 by 2 to infinity. Okay, Nana? Yeah, third problem also just same. This mod a plus mod b equal to mod of a plus b. See, x plus x 2x 2 plus 1 3. Just x plus 1 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Number line minus 2 minus 1 plus minus plus greater symbols I want Therefore x belongs to open minus infinity to minus 2 open union closed r equal to then closed minus 1 to infinity. Okay students, here example 3, modulus of 2x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 is equal to x plus 1, such x value and find. Generally without using any properties also you can solve the problem by using a basic definition of modulus. Sometimes that process becomes difficult. For example, here 3 modulus symbols are there. You want to take their zeros on the number line, you want to divide into several cases. Okay, we'll get the solution, but it will take time. Sometimes given problem maybe follow certain rules. We want to identify such rules. Okay, using some special concepts you want to solve the problems. Like previous we observed, no, mod of a plus b equal mod a plus mod b, automatically a into b greater than or equal to 0. Like that, this problem also having a special property or following a special property. This is a, this is b, a minus b is this. Observe here, 2x minus 1 minus of this gives x plus 1. Means this is in the form of, this is in the form of mod a plus mod b equal to mod a minus b. Okay, in previous concept mod of a plus mod of b equal to mod of a plus b, you got a b greater than or equal to 0. So what happened here means a b lesser than or equal to 0 here. So I will prove, I will prove this concept. Okay, if mod a plus mod b equal to mod a minus b, then a into b lesser than or equal to 0. Mod a plus mod b equal to mod of a minus b squaring. Nothing happened, equality. Directly I went a step, a square mod a square plus b square plus 2 mod ab equal to a square plus b square 2ab. Understood? Mod x whole square means x square only. This get cancelled. Mod ab equal to minus ab. Just like mod x equal to mod k equal to minus k lesser than or equal to 0. So that is a into b lesser than or equal to 0. I will write reason also. Mod k equal to minus k, then k lesser than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the property. By using this property, you can solve this problem. So solution for this problem directly. So what now? This is a, this is b, this is a minus b. Okay, a into b lesser than or equal to 0. 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Just draw number line. Here 1 by 2, here 2 plus minus plus. We want lesser symbols. So what happened now? X belongs to closed off to closed to. Okay students, another concept, mod a equal to mod b. The direct can say that a plus b to a minus b equal to 0. So for problem that is mod of 2x plus 3 equal to mod x, directly I can use this concept for this problem. First of all, I want to explain this. Mod a equal to mod b. Squaring on either side, equality only, no problem. Mod a whole square equal to mod b whole square, or a square equal to b square, or a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. That's why directly mod a equal to mod b form, I can write this one as 2x plus 3 plus x into 2x plus 3 minus x equal to 0. Means this is 3x plus 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or minus 3. So here also the concept here. What is the concept? Mod a greater than mod b. Mod a greater than mod b. Squaring on either side. Nothing happened to the equality. Nothing happened to the inequality. Both are non-negative numbers. Okay. Mod a whole square greater than mod b whole square. That is a square greater than b square, or a square minus b square greater than 0, or a plus b into a minus b greater than 0. So directly I can use this concept for the problem. So this field, this is as a, this is a b, mod a greater than mod b. Directly I can say that 2x minus 1, plus x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 minus x minus 2 greater than 0. because only greater than is there, no greater than 0. R equal to, you can write R equal to. So yeah, 3x plus 1 into this is x minus 3 greater than 0, number line minus 1 by 3, 3 plus minus plus. So positive symbols I want. Therefore my solution I want right here, x belongs to minus infinity minus 1 by 3 open union 3 to infinity. Another important note Nana I want write here. Note mod x greater than x. Then what is x? Mod what is x means real numbers. You are searching for real numbers only, no? Mod x is greater than x. No, I can say that x is negative real number. Then x belongs to R minus. Observe, you take minus 2. Mod of minus 2 2 greater than minus 2 only. Only negative real number will satisfy this condition. Next note, mod x lesser than x. No real x. Okay students, in this way you can solve the problems involving modulus equalities and modulus inequalities. Okay, this is the concept. Okay students, here I gave some 4 problems. Okay, most of the problems from our material only. First problem, find a real x which satisfies this equation. X square plus x plus 1 square minus 2 into mod of x square plus x plus 1. So these two expressions are same, no? Let x square plus x plus 1 equal to k. The problem becomes k square minus 2 mod k plus 1 equal to 0. Important note, mod k whole square nothing but k square only. So instead of this k square I can write mod k whole square minus 2 mod k plus 1 equal to 0. Just like a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, mod k minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So this is non-negative number. Equal to 0 means when this bracket equal to 0, just mod k equal to mod k minus 1 equal to 0 or mod k equal to 1. Mod means what here? Mod of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 1. Now we want open modulus. So important note children, in any problem, if modulus is there, don't bother, just open that modulus. Just 2 cases. For example, you want to open this modulus x minus 2, just to take x is equal greater than 2 case, x is less than 2 case and open it. That is not a big problem. So here, now I want to take the case when this is equal to 0. Right hand side 0, left hand side of that 0. For example, this is just k. This k, this bracket equal to 0 for example some 3. So k greater than 3 one case, k less than 3 another case. But already you know that x square plus x plus 1 is a special type of expression. Its minimum value 3 by 4, always positive. Just mod k only here. Directly can say that x square plus x plus 1 equal to 1. Since x square plus x plus 1 greater than or equal to 3 by 4 already we discussed. Just we need to find x, no? Here x square plus x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or minus 1. Take x common, x of x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 0 or minus 1 and you can verify your answer. That is not a big problem. Yeah, next question. 2x minus 8 plus 2x plus 6 equal to 14. How many integral solutions are there for this equation? So actually we need to divide into some cases. But in last part I explained one easiest method, Friend's method. By using that directly you can solve this problem. Yeah, 0 of this is minus 3, 0 of this is I think 4, okay, 4. Coefficient 2 means here 2 persons are there, A, B. 2 coefficient here also 2 persons are C, D. A, B want meet C, D. How much distance they should travel means just to put x equal to minus 3 in the given expression. X equal to minus 3, this gives 0 only in this expression. LHS of equality. Minus 3, 6, minus 6, minus 6, minus 8, 14. Okay. Now, how much distance C and D should travel to reach AB house means just we need to substitute x equal to 4 here. This is 0, 8 plus 6, 14. Understood? That is minimum value traveled by all the 4 members is nothing but 14. So you want 14 only, no? Means any x you can take, any x from minus 3 to 4, including minus 3 and 4. Therefore, x belongs to closed minus 3 to 4. The question is, how many integrals are there? How many integrals? Means you want to identify how many integrals are there. 0 to 4, 5, including 0. This side 3, 5 plus 3, total 8. Number of integers equal to 8. Understood? 0 to 4, 5, including 0. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 8. Total 8 integral solutions are there for this problem. Okay. Yeah. Something. 6 is somewhat interesting problem, Nana. Mod means non-negative number, non-negative real. Non-negative real plus non-negative real plus non-negative real equal to 0. Never happens unless otherwise all are equal to 0. For example, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0 means what? A should be 0, b should be 0, c should be 0 only. Because non-negative plus non-negative plus non-negative, never 0. So a equal 0, b equal 0, all the 3 are equal 0, then 0 equal 0, that only the solution. Means what happened on here? A should be equal to 0, b should be equal to 0, c should be equal to 0. Like that, non-negative plus non-negative plus non-negative. Only one x you want to find, so that it gives this bracket equal to 0, this bracket equal to 0, this bracket equal to 0. Such x should identify now. So x square minus 9 equal to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X is equal plus or minus 3. X is equal plus or minus 1. X equal 2 and 3. No common. Oh, common. Okay, no common. There should exist x which gives all the 3 brackets are 0. So 3 giving this is 0 and this is 0. Minus 3 giving this is only the 0. So x is 1 is giving this is 0. That's why there is no x which gives all the brackets is 0. Then I can say that x belongs to empty set. Means there is no real which is satisfied by this equation. Okay students, next 7th problem. Modulus of x plus 2 minus x by x less than 2. Such x value you want to find. Observe the problem. Only one modulus. Mod of x plus 2. We want open modulus, that is important. So just you need to take 2 cases. X less than minus 2, x greater than or equal to 2. One thing. Another thing is, while observing problem you can say that x is never 0. If x equal 0, this is undefined. LHS part of inequality is undefined. Okay. So that is called domain of the problem. For any problem we want to solve, first of all we want to identify domain of the problem. Domain of the problem is what values of x the function is defined. Okay. So any x it is defined except 0. Means you want to find the solutions of real numbers except 0. Means our domain is said to be R minus at 0. In that R minus at 0 you want to search for the solutions. For any problem, especially in logarithmic inequalities, the concept of finding domain is important. Okay. See here. Just 2 pieces, case 1. X lesser than 2. Sorry, x less than minus 2. This gives minus x minus 2 minus x by x minus 2 less than 0. Always I want to use wavy curve method. That's why I want right hand side of inequality 0. So this is minus 2x minus 2 minus 2x by x less than 0. Okay, Nana. Minus 4x minus 2 by x less than 0. Minus 2 taken common. 2x plus 1 by x less than 0. I don't want a negative number LHS of inequality. So 2 into 2x plus 1 by x greater than 0. Just I multiplied minus on another side. So just a simple problem. Minus of 0 plus minus plus. You want plus symbols. Okay. But where you want search? What is the domain here? In this area you want search. Where is that minus 2? Somewhere here minus 2. Somewhere here minus 2. Less than minus 2. So actually what values of x? This is satisfied mean greater than 0, less than minus half. What this saying that your x should be less than minus 2. Less than minus 2 means this area. So finally x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 open. This is one of the solution of the problem, one part. Next part I want. So next case I am taking, that is x greater than or equal to minus 2. X greater than or equal to minus 2. This gives x plus 2 only. Understood? Mod k equal to k greater than 0. Minus x by x minus 2 less than 0. X get cancelled. 2 by x minus 2 less than 0. I can take 2 common. 1 by x minus 1 less than 0. Or 1 minus x by x less than 0. To use wavy curve method or sign scheme, you don't want a negative x coefficient. That's why I want multiply minus another side for numerator. Directly 2 times of x minus 1 by x becomes greater than 0. Now I want to find solution for this. So 0, 1, plus, minus, plus, greater symbols you want, plus symbols you want. Another important thing is, now where what the domain means, in this domain only you want to search the solutions. Where is that? Here, minus 2, closed, minus 2 to infinity, this side. So common area is this and this. Okay, therefore I can say that x belongs to closed minus 2 to 0 open, union open 1 to infinity. Now I want to find union of these two. Minus infinity to minus 2. Minus 2 to 0. Directly minus infinity to 0 you can say now. Here, observe here. Minus infinity to minus 2. Union this. Minus infinity to 0. Union 1 to infinity. Final solution. Final x. X belongs to minus infinity to 0. Union 1 to infinity. Student, next problem. Mod of x minus 3 by x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than or equal to 2. Simple problem. Two cases, x lesser than 3 and x greater than or equal to 3. X less than 3 case. This is minus of x minus 3 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Factorization. Greater than or equal to 2. Yeah, I can cancel these two. Important. X by 2x by x equal to dash. We can't say anything. It may be 2 if x is not equal to 0. We can't cancel variables. Okay, understood? If in the problem is mentioned that x is a non-zero real, then you can cancel. Otherwise you can't cancel. X may be 0, no? 0 by 0 form. But here what is the meaning, Nana? X less than 3, less than 3. Never equal to 3, less than 3. That's why I can cancel these two. Important. Minus 1 by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 2 times of x minus 2 by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Just try to LCM. Minus 1 minus 2x plus 2, sorry 4 by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Or I can say 3 minus 2x by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Again, I don't like negative x coefficient here. Just numerator is multiplied by minus 1. So what happened now? 2x minus 3 by x minus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. So in this problem also, denominator is x minus 2 and x minus 3. If x is equal to 2 or 3, problem not solvable. Means in the domain 2 and 3 should not be. That's why in the domain of the problem is all real numbers except 2 and 3. Okay. So here number line 1 to 2, 3 by 2 means 1 point something here, 3 by 2 plus minus plus. I want plus symbols including these, but I want search for area. So the domain is 3 and below 3. 3 somewhere here, 3 below 3. Below 3 means this is a common. Therefore x belongs to closed 3 by 2. 2 I can't take here. 2 I can't take. Here I can't take to a denominator. So open 0. Critical point. The 2 is not satisfying. Open 2. That's why open 2. Closed 3 by 2. Open 2 is the one of the solution of the problem. From next case you want to find another solution. These two should union. X greater than or equal to 3. x greater than or equal to 3. I can't take greater than or equal to I can't take, no, because in denominator x minus 2 and x minus 3. In the domain only 3 not there. I can't take that case. X greater than or equal to case I can't take. Just I can take x greater than this. Should take care. Okay. Numerator is x minus 3 only. Denominator is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Greater than or equal to, I can cancel, greater than 3 only. So 1 by x minus 2 minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, or 1 minus 2x plus 4 by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Okay students, here 5 minus 2x by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Again, I don't like x quotient of negative. Just numerator is multiplied by minus. What happened? 2x minus 5 by x minus 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Okay. Now number line. Yeah, zeros. 2. 5 by 2 means 2 point something. 2 point something. Here 5 by 2. Plus, minus, plus 2 won't satisfy. 5 by 2 will satisfy. Thick circle. This is open circle. You want lesser symbols here to here. But what is the domain? X greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3 means somewhere 3. Where is 3, Nana? This is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. 2 point something. 3 means somewhere here. 3. Greater than 3. Greater than 3. Not or equal to. Greater than 3. That is the domain. We want a lesser symbol. No intersection. Here. No intersection. This saying that domain saying that your your x should be greater than 3. But what you got, Nana, here? The values between 2 to 5 by 2. Okay, Nana? What happened? This saying that your x value is from 2 to 5 by 2, open 2 to close 5 by 2, but domain saying that your x should be greater than 3. That's why no intersection. Therefore, x belongs to empty set here. This and this should be union. Union is that nothing but x belongs to close 3 by 2, 2 only. Final x. Final x. Final solution. X belongs to closed 3 by 2, open 2. Student, next problem. Modulus of x square minus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 4x plus 4 plus mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 minus 12 less than 0. So, if possible, try to simplify it. So, this is x minus 1 whole square only. X minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 square mod numerator. Mod of a by b equal mod a by mod b under condition b not equal to 0. So, this is mod of x minus 2 square plus mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 or minus 2. Just I can write this one as mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 square plus mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 minus 12 less than 0. Okay, Nana? So, observe the problem. Domain is all real numbers except 2. We want to search the value of x in the domain only, in that area only. All real numbers except 2. Okay, domain. Sometimes you need to write domain of problem. Yeah, I can say all real numbers except 2. In this area only I want to find the solutions. Okay, just like observe here, a square plus a minus 12 less than 0 form. Okay, just like a square plus a minus 12 less than 0 form. This is a plus 4 into a minus 3 less than 0. Okay, so what is this, Nana? Minus 4, 3 plus minus plus. So that a should be lies between minus 4 to 3. Minus 4 less than a less than 3. Minus 4 less than a means what here? Mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 less than 3. Observe here, two cases. One case is mod of x minus 1 by x minus should be greater than minus 4. For all real numbers happens. Already 2 is not there, no problem. Any real number you take here. So mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 greater than minus 4 only. That is non-negative number, no? So actually a less than b less than c means we want to find the values of b greater than a and b less than c. Their intersection should find. So what happened now? This should be greater than -4 should find such x values. Next, this should be less than 3 x value should find. Their intersection only the total solution. So what happened here? First one, -4 less than mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 and mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 less than 3. This is all real numbers will satisfy. No? All real numbers except 2. 2 already not there. No? So I can say that here all real numbers except 2 in this area. In this area, what we get? All real numbers except 2. Just we want to solve this. Mod of x minus 1 by x minus 2 should be less than 3. Now such x value you want to find. Interesting student. This is non-negative quantity. Already positive. Squaring another side, nothing happened in equality. X is not equal to, no here. X is already except 2. This is non-negative. So this is already positive. Just like maybe 0 less than 3. Okay, that's why what happened in a squaring another side, nothing happened to the inequality. X minus 1 square by x minus 2 square is less than 9. Oh, x minus 1 square minus 9 times of x minus 2 square by x minus 2 square is less than 0. Such x values I want to find now. So what happened on here? Direct step I want to write x minus 1 square minus 3x minus 6 square. Okay, correct only. By x minus 2 square. Yeah, a plus numerator in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means 3x plus x 4x. Addition of these two minus 7 into a minus b. A minus b is x minus 3x minus 2x. Minus 1 plus 6 plus 5 by x minus 2 whole square lesser than 0 less than 0. Now interesting step nana, x quotient positive, x quotient negative, x quotient positive, x quotient negative I don't like. I want to take 1 minus common from this bracket. After that I will multiply. Directly we will get 4x minus 7 into 2x minus 5 by x minus 2 whole square is greater than 0. Now I want to apply sign scheme or wavy curve method to find the solution. 0 should identify. One of them is 2. This is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 means what? 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. 1 point something means here 7 by 4. Next 2x by 5, 2 point something, here 5 by 2. Now sign scheme, plus, here coefficient odd, minus, coefficient even, minus, plus. But what I want? Greater symbols I want. Greater symbols means this area I want. Okay, already in the, here you got r minus set to 2 and intersection of these two you want. R minus set to 2 somewhere here is there. No, their intersection is nothing but the shaded region. Okay, final x. Final x minus infinity to 7 by 4 open union open 5 by 2 infinity.